Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is the second part of our epidemiology lecture, and today we're going to discuss about the epidemiologically research study designs. Before we do discussion on that, what is the meaning of research study? Well, research study means this is a scientific process to answer the questions related to a population by collecting data from that population. Well, I know it's still not clear to you. Well, let me just tell you. If you remember from our last part of this lecture, if we want to prove our hypothesis or to prove what we are thinking, we need to conduct a study. As we need to find out about the distributions, determinants, and frequency of the disease, accidents, incidents, and how we doing that? Well, to conduct a study, the first step of that, we need to formulate a research question. And the second part of that, to select appropriate design for that study, and then to collect the data, analysis of the data, and interpret of that data, and to present a result from that data. So this is a scientific process how to conduct a research study. Epidemiological study designs is divided in two categories. Category 1 is experimental study designs, and category 2 is observational study designs. Category 1, experimental study designs, what does that mean? Well, it's mean, as we know from the name, experiments. So this kind of trials may be starting in the laboratory, or maybe some community trials, or maybe some kind of RCTs, randomized control trials, or intervention studies. Now, the second category, observational study design, is also divided in two categories. So, descriptive epidemiological designs and analytical epidemiological designs. And if you remember from the last part of this lecture, we know that what is the meaning of descriptive epidemiological designs. Well, from this category, we're going to find out the distribution of the disease, like when the disease was started, so we're going to find out the time. From where the disease was started, so we're going to find out about the place. And to whom the disease was started, so we're going to find out about the person, like from the elderly started, from the young age was started, or from the children this disease was started. So this will be coming under the descriptive epidemiologically design. Now we're going to talk about the analytical epidemiologically study designs. So what kind of questions will be coming from that? Well, we need to find out, because we're going to test our hypothesis, so we're going to find out why the disease was started and how the disease was started. And we're going to find out the study designs of these two categories. So from the category 1, like as I told you about the descriptive epidemiological study designs, what will be coming under this category? Well, case control studies or case series studies will be coming under this category. Now, from the category of analytical epidemiological study designs, what kind of study designs will be coming under this category? Number 1, case control study designs. Number 2, cross-sectional study designs. Number 3, cohort study designs. Number 4, ecological study designs. So these 4 study designs will be coming under the analytical epidemiologically study designs. So in the next part of this lecture, we're going to talk about the cohort study. We're going to talk about the case control study, case series studies, and the rest all category, all kind of studies separately in more detail. Please don't forget to share this video with your colleagues and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.